Hello guys, it's Emil from Lancaster Automart. I hope everyone's okay. We've got this lovely 2015 Glacier white metallic Audi A3. It's a 1.4 litre TFSI CoD Sportback Tronic. It's currently at 36,840 miles and it's a petrol automatic. Really lovely vehicle, well looked after by the previous owner. Really good condition. It's got the 17-inch 5-arm kinetic design alloy wheels in the silver sheen finish, in really good condition all the way around. We'll post the alloys on the actual Auto Trader page so you can have a really good look. It's got the halogen headlights with the daytime running lights, with the automatic activation and the sport suspension. There's a third alloy, and lastly the last alloy comes with the aluminium roof rails. Got the heated electric folding mirrors with the anti-theft alarm system. But overall, really lovely vehicle. To show you the tailgate, there you go. It's got rear parking sensors as well, so that's really good. Inside the vehicle, it's got the Rallye cloth sport seats, really good nick all the way around. It's got the child protection, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the folding and heating mechanism, open and close, storage compartment, automatic headlights, a multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control with a speed limiter, which is just there. Got automatic wipers and, like I mentioned, automatic headlights. It's got 36,840 miles on the clock. With the centre instrument console, it's got a driving select mode with features such as the efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. You can also change the sound system. There's a radio which includes DAB, FM and AM. There's the Bluetooth integration and telephone preparation, so that's really good. It's got dual zone air conditioning at the drivers and passengers side, 12-volt plug socket, a smoker's pack. It's got the comfort package as well, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission, menu selector, a electronic parking brake, a lovely armrest with a storage compartment, which is really good. But overall, really lovely vehicle inside. At the back, it's got the electronic windows, storage compartment, the Rallye black cloth sport seats with the ISOFIX Preparation at the drivers and passengers side, air conditioning unit, well looked after, plenty of leg space, no scuffs, no tears in the interior, as you can see. But yeah, overall, really lovely vehicle, great family car. With the boot, got plenty of boot space, well looked after. Valets have done a great job cleaning the vehicle. No scuffs, no tears in the boot as well, which is really good. It's also got a additional spare tyre with a jack, so that's a very good additional feature, very handy, especially if a tyre pops. Yeah, overall, really lovely vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.